Stunning upgraded walkout ranch with cathedral ceilings. Gorgeous granite countertops, beautiful open kitchen, two-way gas fireplace, hardwood floors, first floor laundry, skylights, separate room for office/den, speakers in each room, Andersen windows that face south for maximum light and views of the 75 by 150 swimming pond. Enjoy time on the newly updated wraparound deck. Downstairs features brand new carpet, new tile in bathroom and two nice sized bedrooms plus a family room. There is also an unfinished area that could be made into another bedroom. Some other updates include new AC in 2019, new hot water heater and softener in 2018-19. Outside enjoy amazing 360 views of the land. There are two Cleary buildings that have water and electricity. Features workshop, cold storage and horse stalls.